In this class, we are going to create a program which will create a list of prime numbers between given range. Let us open Python. Let us start with the command line. Create a list of prime numbers between given range. Let us take the range from the user. Start is equal to int of input of start. End is equal to int of input of end. Let us also create an empty list. Prime LST is equal to empty list. Now we will have to create a for loop from the start to the end. So that means both are included for num in range. So start comma end plus 1, so that it will be ending whichever number is given. One is neither prime nor composite, so we will start from 2. For that purpose I will be giving one condition here: if num is greater than 1. I will create a variable called pri which will be true in the beginning. When it is not a prime number, we will turn into false. Now the range is given, so from that each number has to be checked whether it is prime or not. So again we need to have a for loop to check whether it is prime number. I in range, any number is prime when it is having only two divisors, that is 1 and the number itself. If any other number is a divisor of given number, then it is not going to be a prime number. So we will run this loop from 2 to num so that it stops before the num. So I am checking whether it is divisible by I. If num mod equal to 0, then it is going to be a composite number, so pri becomes false. Then we don't need to check further, we will break this inner loop. If the for loop runs until the end but it is not having any divisor, then pri will be true. By checking it, we will append this to the prime list. If prime LST dot append of num. So when the outer loop runs for all the numbers, prime LST will have all the prime numbers in it. In case no prime numbers found in between the range given, it will give you the empty list if you are printing this prime list. So to avoid that, we will have a condition: if prime LST, that means at least one value in the list, then only we will print list of prime numbers, prime LST, else print prime number not found in the range given. Let us run this program. I give 8, 18. You could see the list of prime numbers. Let us test once again. This time I am giving where there is no prime number in the range. 24 to 28, there is no prime number. So prime number not found in the range given. Hope this was very clear to you. Append is the familiar method where we can have a new element at the end. But there are several other ways to append the list, which we will be seeing in the next class. So subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification immediately. If you are having any doubt regarding any program, or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.